Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to see all of someone's reposts on TikTok. But before I do that, if you find this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so one of the most popular questions that are asked about TikTok is whether you can see someone's reposts. So I'm going to be having a look to see if this is possible or not. So first, always make sure that you have your apps updated to the latest version. And then once you've done that, open up the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then next, head over to the profile of the person that you'd like to see if you can see their reposts for. So as you can see, I'm now in this person's profile. So if I can tap on following, and then you can see whoever they're following. You can tap on their likes and see their total likes. You can scroll across and see the users liked videos, but only if they've allowed that option in their profile, but this one's private. But as you can see, there's no actual option to see somebody's reposts. So even if I head over to my own profile, you'll also see that there's no actual option for me to see my own reposts. So you just got to remember which ones you've reposted if you want to actually view your own reposts. So that's it. So as I said, there's no option of seeing somebody's repost on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.